Hello my friends, today I am sending really awesome kit. We have here two VIP packages. It's for my new student from Australia. And first kit is about top Elina. This top you can see here at the cover of magazine. We have journal with schemes, fabric patterns specially designed for my new student, USB flash drive with full crochet cause inside, crochet hook, 400 grams of Italian viscose, awesome elements. These all elements my student can use for this project. And second VIP package is for dress Lille. We have here 1000 grams of beautiful threads, pure looks, and also these incredible elements. I made them by using the same colors, so my student can use them for this beautiful dress. We have also USB flash drive, crochet hook, journal, and fabric pattern specially designed for my student by using her individual measurements. Everything is ready to send. If you want to order VIP packages like this, just send me a message or visit our website jthouse.com.